Hello viewers, welcome to Noor Academy. Viewers, there has been a lot of confusion about Gilsar and Khush-haal, sir. The lake right now which you are seeing on the screen is called Gilsar, and this lake has not been cleaned yet. Its cleanliness drive has just started yesterday. Thanks to local NGO, mohalla committees and district administration including SMC. This lake extends from Gilligal Bridge to Nalabal Bridge. On one side of the bank lies Batakpora Naushara area. On the other side of the bank lies Pazwalpora Zunimar area. Just adjacent to this lake, on the other side of the road, lies the lake Khush-haal. Khush-haal has already been cleaned by the local administration with the help of a local NGO, mohalla committees and SMC. This lake extends from Gilligal Bridge on one side to Saidpora Bridge on the other side. On one side of the bank lies Zaribal area and on the other side of the bank lies Zunimar Gilligal area. As you all can see that this lake has almost been cleaned. I think this video should clear all the confusion about the nomenclature of the twin lakes. Viewers, if you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel both on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you.